Hey everyone, and welcome back to another quick tech how-to video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to activate the followers option in your Facebook ID. First, you're going to have to go to Facebook on a browser or on an Android. This does not work on the Apple version of the app, so you'll have to go into a Google Firefox or Bing browser and type in Facebook manually, or if you have an Android, it works perfectly fine. So I'm going to do the browser version. It works the same exact way on the Android. So when you're on your browser, you're going to hit the top right arrow, and then you're going to hit settings and privacy. You're going to hit settings, and then it's going to give you this list of options. You're going to hit privacy, and then from here, it's going to ask you several different questions. The main ones you want to focus on are these right here: how people find and contact you. So you're going to hit edit, and you're going to change this to friends of friends, and you're going to want everything else to be public. See, there's a lot of different options here. You're going to want all that to be public. Everyone, yeah, it's either public or everyone for basically all those options. See all these public. Just make sure everything is like free for everyone to see. I'm going to hit refresh here. Once you refresh, make sure everything is public. All that is set for everyone to visibly see your account. It should have a follow icon on the mobile version of Facebook. On here, there is no, like if I were to type in a random name, there's just an add friend option, and on Apple it's the same way as well. But for some reason, Android has several different options on Facebook, and they have a follow option. So once you change all those privacy settings to what was listed in the video, there should be a follow button, and you should be good to go. And that's how to activate the follower option in your Facebook ID. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe down below.